Hi everyone and welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this really nice looking dragon. So you can see now it's like really professional design, and this picture is actually what inspired me to make this particular design, although I just made some little improvements on that particular design, but this was what gave me the motivation to make this design. So alright, I'm going to set up a radio question for you guys. So if you know the answer, put it in the comment section, and if you don't know the answer, watch this video to the ending if I can put the answer in between or at the ending during the video. So alright, without wasting much time, let us begin. So this picture now is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to put the link in my description so to be able to download it. And this particular design is what, like I've made in my previous video, I've made a tutorial on how to make this particular design, so which is this. So I'm still going to put the link on how to make this design so as to be able to know how to do it, because I'm not going to make it again. I'm not going to show how I did it again. Instead, I'll just put the link to the video so you guys can just click on the link to watch the tutorial on how to make this particular design. So this too is what I'm going to use in this design for this particular one. So I'm going to paste it and keep it right here. So I'll just keep it here. Let's put it at the front. So alright guys, let us begin. So this picture I'm just gonna increase the size of it to make it more visible. So go to your 2-point line tool. So go to your 2-point line tool. Then we're just gonna start. I'm gonna create an outline. Oh, sorry. So alright, I'm done with the outline. So I'm just gonna bring it out so you can see now how it looks, like amazing, but because it's just an outline you won't like see it, but it looks amazing to me. So alright, as we're done with this, I guess there is no use of this picture any longer. I can delete it. So go to your ellipse tool, hold your control to draw a perfect circle. I'm just gonna increase the height of this. Just want it to be the exact size of the outline as the dragon outline. So alright, I'll take it to the back of the dragon. So I'm going to power clip this outline inside the circle. So it looks nice. So I'm going to give the circle a black color. I'm going to select the power clip, give it a white color. So this looks nice. Good. So alright, I'm going to bring this design. So this design is grouped. So you can see now I grouped everything. So I have to ungroup it so as to be able to get the separate components of the design. So to do it is either I press Ctrl plus U, or I just come here to ungroup objects. It's Ctrl U. So Ctrl U, it's been ungrouped. So now you can see now they're separate. So I'll just bring it right here. So I'm going to zoom it later. So on this circle, I'll go to my interactive fill tool. So guys, don't forget, if you want to learn how to make this particular design, this one I just brought in here, check the link in my description. It'll take you to the tutorial video on how to make that design, because I'm not going to do it again. That's going to be time consuming. So alright, go to my interactive fill tool. So you can see now this was from the previous design, so I don't need to adjust it. All I just need to do is to select this gray square and give it a black color. It looks nice, right? Yeah. So I'll do the same for each of these. On this I'll give it a black color. That is a full black, 100% black. So I'll do it for each of these. So I'm just going to continue giving it this black color. Alright, I'm done with that. There's a mix up here. This is supposed to be green. Oh, it wasn't ungrouped, that's why. Sorry for that. So this was not ungrouped. Alright, this is good. Alright, this particular one, I'll do it again. Oh, sorry for that, guys. Ah, I think the mouse is messing up. No worries, no worries. I got my touchpad. It's alright. It's good. So as I'm done with this now, I have to do the eye, which I forgot to do. I forgot to make an outline for the eye, so I'll just simply take it from here. You can use the 2-point line too, but since you guys already know how to do it, I'll just simply copy the eye from here. It's the same thing, just from that picture, you just trace the eye and do it. It's not gonna be a big deal. So I'll just duplicate it, just put it right here. Instead of bringing the picture back, that's gonna take lots of time. So right here, it's time to do the flame. So just the same way, we're just gonna copy the outline. Alright, now that I've copied the outline, I'm just gonna bring it right here. So it's showing black. I know. So I'm gonna give it a gray color, this particular gray. Go to my interactive field tool. So from my interactive field tool, I'm gonna click here where it says fountain fill and straight to elliptical fountain fill. So I'm gonna select this, give it a black color, 100% black. I'm gonna increase it so you can see how cool it looks. See, it's perfect. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if it really helped you, but before that, I forgot to do something. So on this circle, I'm gonna increase the outline. So let's say like an outline of 2 points. So that's good. So guys, we're done with this video. You can see how easy and simple it is to make it. So like I always say, do not always think a design is difficult. Instead, start it and you see that it's actually easy and simple to do. So if you really enjoyed this video, if this video really taught you a lot, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.